George Garcia, the current chairman of the Commission on Elections, was appointed by President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., but their relationship didn't start there. Garcia was Marcos Jr., personal election lawyer, where Marcos challenged Leni Robredo's win in a protest that dragged on for years. Garcia defended Marcos all the way through the Presidential Electoral Tribunal.
And we are hoping na sana before the end of the term of our Chief Justice, ma-resolve na. Para to once and for all to put an end to the issue. Kapag nanalo talaga si na Vice President, then we have to accept. Pag naman kami nanalo, then they have to accept. Ganun lang po talaga.
Fast forward to 2022, Garcia was named its chair. Critics pointed out the glaring conflict of interest. Though Garcia insists on impartiality, the optics are hard to ignore. An election lawyer turned commissioner, now chairing COMELEC under the very man whose rise to power he once legally fought for. The question isn't just about qualifications, it's about trust, independence, and whether the playing field is truly fair.